MK27's first private houses in the Mediterranean pay homage to the scenery and the know-how of local vernacular architecture. The 4 white volumes, distributed over a 33,000 square meter terrain, host 2 houses and 2 flats. They were settled with respect to existing walls and plateaus, favoring water retention for the local arid gardens, and completed with 2 common swimming pools to enhance the site experience. All structures are designed to open themselves to the infinite landscape. The upper house benefits from a wide sea view, and the lower one immerses itself in the valley bottom, embraced by the gardens. With a cross-shaped floor plan, the houses are articulated around the piazza figure, represented by the living room. The living room can have 2 faces completely opened and recessed, and is accessed by a lowered patio that gradually unveils the sea view. Closer to the pool, the ceiling dissolves into a concrete pergola that shades a convivial terrace. Retractable wooden sunscreens act as a filter for light and intimacy. The mashrabyas, an Arab heritage adopted in the Iberian Peninsula, are redesigned in a simple checkered pattern to constitute immense sliding doors, but also as fixed panels that enclose the bedroom's private patios. Around the piazza, 4 modules are organized in different axes, creating almost no corridors for the house's circulation. 3 modules for bedrooms, 1 for the kitchen, which in turn can be fully integrated with the central space or closed. The bedrooms, positioned orthogonally around the living room, open themselves either to the sea view or to private patios. The house on the valley has 1 bedroom located on an upper floor, which allows it to look further into the horizon. The thick white walls double as a canvas for the dramatic shades drawn by the Mediterranean sun and clouds. Moving shades delineated by the garden add texture and tactility to the pale facades. Whitewashed wooden panels embrace the indoor spaces, where a mix of sleek and rustic furniture pieces wrap the cozy atmosphere. A collection of Scandinavian chairs and lamps add color and texture to each ambiance. Natural wood and fibers highlight the plain finishes and create a dialogue with the vegetation around them. MK27's San Josep Villas in the Mediterranean are an example of modern architecture, seamlessly blended with traditional architecture. The design is respectful of the local environment and heritage while delicately inserted into the topography. The dissolving envelope, walls and ceiling that disappear are a strong pitch for letting nature play the main role.